ready to turn website visitors into loyal subscribers with eye-catching pop-up forms. First, head over to your Wix editor and click on the app's icon. It looks like 4 squares arranged in a grid on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, in the Wix App Market search bar, type in pop-up form and press enter. You'll see a variety of pop-up form apps. Choose one that best suits your needs and design preferences. For this tutorial, we'll use the Privy app. Click the Add to Site button. You'll see a prompt asking for permission to install the app. Review the permissions carefully. And if you're comfortable, click Allow or Add to Site. Now you're inside the app dashboard. Browse through the available templates. From welcome offers to accident and pop-ups, select a template or design your own from scratch. Customize everything. Change the text to match your brand voice, tweak the colors to complement your website's design, and add engaging images to grab attention. Set your trigger. Decide when you want your pop-up to appear. Options include time delay, when someone scrolls to a certain percentage of your website, or when someone is about to leave your page. This is known as an accident trigger. Connect your email marketing platform. Integrate your chosen email marketing service like MailChimp, Klaviyo, or Constant Contact to automatically add new subscribers to your mailing list. And that's it. Publish your site, and your pop-up form is live, ready to capture leads and boost engagement. Good luck, and thanks for watching.